Kia vehicles allow you to customize the warning methods and warning volumes of the driver assistance systems. To adjust the warning volume, from the infotainment system home screen, select Setup and Vehicle. On the driver assistance screen, select Warning Methods or press the speaker button. Here, you can adjust your preferred warning volume level. If warnings are turned off, all warning sound will be muted except Forward Collision Avoidance Assist. Haptic warning can be enabled to provide steering wheel vibration. Lane Safety Audible Warning Off disables the lane safety warning even when both warning volume and haptic warning are enabled. Driving Safety Priority lowers all other audio sources when the driving safety system sounds a warning. Parking Safety Priority lowers all other audio sources when the parking assist view is active. For additional information, refer to your owner's manual. You can also go to the Kia Features and Functions Videos YouTube channel or your Kia Features and Functions Quick Reference Guide. Thanks for watching!